Welcome to another knot tying tutorial. The running bowline is nothing more than a regular bowline tied around its own standing part. By the end of this short movie, you know how to tie a running bowline. First we show a short clip about how to tie the running bowline. After that, we show some step-by-step pictures about how to tie the running bowline. Oh, before I forget, please tap that like button and hit subscribe. Alright, let's get started. The running bowline needs to be tied around an object. For this tutorial we use a carabiner. Yeah, I know, you can open them to attach a loop, but that's not the point. Take the working end and lay it over top of the standing part to form a loop. The working end is the end of the rope that's used to tie the knot. Bring the working end back to the left again by going underneath the standing part. This forms an elbow. Make a loop. You might need to hold it to prevent it from becoming undone. Take the working end and poke it through the loop from below. Make sure you pull enough tail through to finish the knot. Continue by taking the working end and go underneath the standing part as shown. Here you are actually tying a regular bowline. Finish the running bowline by sticking the working end back through the loop. Now set and dress the knot and you have a running bowline. If you didn't quite get it right this time, we do have some clear step-by-step pictures coming up next. Alright, here is the step-by-step guide on how to tie the running bowline. Take the working end of the rope and attach the object you are tying onto. In our example, we use a carabiner, but there are many possible use cases for the running bowline. Bring the working end over the standing part. This forms the actual loop around your object. Then we take the working end back to the other side by going underneath the standing part. Now we have formed an elbow around the standing part. Now we start tying the actual bowline knot. First, form a loop. Now we take the working end and poke it through the loop. In our video about the regular bowline, we used a little trick on how to remember the bowline. The snake comes out of the pond, goes underneath the tree, and dives back into the pond. This little loop is the pond. The working end that comes out of it is the snake. Makes it a lot easier, right? Well, it works for me. Okay, almost there. Take the working end and go underneath the standing part. Pull the working end back through the loop and finish the bowline. The snake dives back into the pond. Now set and dress the knot. That's it for the running bowline. Thank you for watching. Please leave a thumbs up. Make sure to check out our other useful knot videos.